Well, a relatively quiet start in tandem with the rest of the globe, and then the troops in West Russia were actually called back, and you saw a relief rally of sorts building in, not just for our markets, but the entire globe as well. So there we were, had a touch-and-go moment with the 6,300 mark, and then closed in just shy of that mark at 62.97, at a one-month high for both the Nifty as well as the Sensex. Banks, metals, as well as the Tata Group stocks were the ones which were the shining stars in trade today. And the broader markets, of course, they too held out pretty well. So first, to the metals universe, considering the metals index was the top gainer with an over 3% move coming in the BSE metals pack. Hindalco, Sesa Sterlite, NMDC, SAIL, JSW, Jindal SAW, you name it, and all the metal stocks were holding out. As was the case with the banking pack, huge spurt in volumes as well, a 2.5% move in the bank Nifty. You had Yes Bank, BOB, Indusint Bank, PNB, blue chips like an ICICI Bank, Karnataka Bank as well, with spurt on heavy volumes coming in. And then, of course, from the word go, you had the star performers today, and that was really the Tata Group stocks. Pick up any stock, and that was flying high. So Tata Chemicals, Indian Hotels, Voltas, Tata Power, Tata Steel, Titan, Tata Motors, TCS, the list really goes on. And mind you, most of them are futures and option stocks, so the spurt and the volume activity was pretty phenomenal on most of these names. Broader markets as well weren't to be left behind. So names like an HMT, Timken, Shrey Infrastructure, HT Media, as well as IRB were some names which looked good. So good momentum. Let's see whether it can hold on till tomorrow and build on further or not. We'll catch